Yeah.
Hello everybody, welcome back to one of my videos, Sunday Mixin with Psycho Nixixin. And today we're going to make stuffed shells. I've never done it before, so this is a trial run. We're going to need our shells here, jumbo size. You need ricotta cheese, you need mozzarella cheese, you need mushrooms, and your Parmesan cheese, and your sauce. Whichever kind you want, it'll work. So we're going to get the noodles boiling, and we'll get that going here quickly. So we have our water here. We're going to get that starting to boil. We're going to just lightly salt it. Okay. And once that comes to a boil, we'll put our shells in there. So while that water is boiling, these are already sliced mushrooms, but I'm going to chop them up even more because people don't like mushrooms. So you just hide it in there. So we're going to open this up. Drain everything off, and then we'll cut them up even smaller. Okay. We'll get a knife here. And the smaller you get them, the easier it will be to stuff the shells, I imagine. Okay. Then we'll go and put this in that bowl that I got here. Then we take our ricotta cheese here. We're going to put that in the bowl. Sounds like our water's starting to boil, so we'll throw our jumbo shells in there. And take your mozzarella cheese and throw a bunch of that in there. We're going to put this in a bigger bowl. Alright. Basically, you're going to mix all this stuff up pretty well here. Whoops. close so they don't stick. And then we're going to take some parsley here. And then we're going to take some minced garlic. And I'm going to mix all this up. And then just add a little more garlic. A little bit more parsley. There we go. I'll mix all this up. Till everything's all kind of nice and mixed in together. Now we'll just wait for the shells. So you want to keep stirring up your shells so they're not sticking to the bottom or anything. And while this is all while we're waiting on that, you'll want to set your oven to 350 and get it preheated and everything. So I almost forgot the 2 eggs that we need. So, double check them. Looks good, looks good. And we'll whip these up. That goes right in this bowl. Alright, now you mix everything up. Alright, and there we are. Now we're back to the shells here. We are just about ready here. Nothing sticking to the bottom, so that's good. They're just about done. They're just getting soft. And they're still a little tender though. So once these are done, we'll end up stuffing all the shells, put them in our pan. We'll add our sauce, a little more mozzarella over the top, and we'll bake it. So we'll be right back once the noodles are ready. Alright, these are all done. So we're going to use the colander on it. You drain all the water off there. And now we're actually going to be stuffing the shells. So I'm going to get that all set up and ready to go, and I'll show you what we're doing. So now that we have our shells cooked and we have our filling, we're going to get a separate pan here. It's like this one. And you're going to pick up the shell, you're going to take a spoonful and you're going to fill it. And you're going to set it in there, right in the pan in a row, circle, whatever you want to do. They're a little hot. So what we'll do is we'll just throw them under some cold water here real quick. Just take a nice spoonful of everything in there. Pull it back. The shell. There you go. You have a stuffed shell. And we'll just keep doing that until the pan is full. There's no really easy way to do this. You just put some in there and push down with your thumb and there you are, stuffed shell. If there's any easy way to do it, just let me know in the comments below. Now that we have all of these done, wash your hands. First you take your, I'm going to do tomato, basil, and garlic. That's what that says. I don't know if you can see that. And then you're going to take your jar. Put it right over all of it. And that's why we buy two. And now you take a little more mozzarella, put over the top of that. Mozzarella. Then you throw it in the oven. And here we are. We're going to throw this right in here. Set about 350. And then we'll set the timer for a half hour, 45 minutes. And then we'll be back when we pull it out. Moment of truth. There we are. We're going to let this sit for a while and we'll come right back to it. So now that our stuffed shells are done, we will we'll dish up and we'll eat some. Thank you everybody for watching Sunday Mixin with Psycho Nixixin, and we made our stuffed shells. So we're gonna try it. Like I said, never made it before. thank you for watching. Smash that like button. If you want to see any more, just let me know in the comments below. If you want to see anything else, just let me know and I'll go and try it. I'm always willing to try new things. So, I'm going to finish eating, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. I'm Psycho Nixixin, and I'm out.
Yeah.